Ish.
Ishka.
It's the same?
Yeah, it's ishka.
No, it was Tishka.
And tishka is the water, but just water in general is ishka.
Like on Tarragon, right?
And tarraget would be the
Tishka.
money. And
Is that
tarraget.
masculine when you put the t?
Yes. So and tarraget is masculine and tishka is masculine. So and fian is masculine because it does on the night. And Vior is feminine because it does, and Vior, which is strange. Okay, and Limonarge is you can't tell, but it's feminine. And Ceathair, it's a T in front of it, it's feminine. Yes?
Capri would say this stay the same of the sandwich?
And it's actually masculine, so yeah, it'd just be on Capri. I mean, sorry. And Yomarka Capri.
Capra, okay.
And Yomarka Capri would be too many sandwiches.
So they wouldn't change the end on either singular?
Not on, well, it would be in the plural in that case. Yeah.
Wait, so
It doesn't really make, it doesn't make sense in the singular for too much sandwich.
Put butter, no, you're right.
Yeah, you'd have to probably say it differently because it sounds strange.
So Shasklaj gets a T, but it's masculine? Or
It's feminine. So
Like it's
the,
a T?
so if you want to put the on it, I'll do it in the green, becomes untarraget, and tishka, and fian, and vior, and limonage, and Ceathair.
But aren't money and water
SC.
masculine?
Those are both masculine, that's why they get the T's. Okay, so here's there's several different things you do in Irish to words. One of them is you do, it's not just that there's a T. Here, let me. Take a
You
little.
confused me, it's only 7 minutes to the hour.
Okay, so, okay, so let's do a word with, I'll do this one. Okay, there's two things with T's, okay? So first of all you have antishka, okay? That's sticking a T in front of a vowel. That's the thing that masculine words do. And as we do is move this one down the line here. And Ceathair, something feminine words do is stick a T in front of an S. So it's this combination that's happening here. Okay, it's this combination of T and a vowel. Okay,
Wait, so what did you say, feminine?
that's a feminine one. So
Stick a T.
another, I'm trying to think of a word that starts with, a feminine word that starts with a vowel here. Okay, well actually here's the one, an ur. An ur doesn't do it. Okay, so there's no T in front of that, it's a feminine word, and I'll do all feminine over here. Give you an example of an S word in masculine is in suggart, okay?
Is that the yogurt?
A priest, suggart. The priest does not get a T on it, it's masculine.
Oh, it's only feminine that starts with an S? The
Yeah, in nominative. Okay, and then the other thing we get is like, and vior, so that H there comes on because it's a feminine word, you get lenition, okay? But you don't have, what's the word that starts,
What does that top word in green mean?
and buachel, okay, so, and buachel, the boy does not get it. Okay, so this is the water, the priest, the boy, the hour, the chocolate, the beer. Okay? Or at the time, like this time, the show. Okay? I think those are the only things we really have to worry about is, so there's really three things that happen with on when you're talking about saying just the something, okay? You get a T in front of a vowel, that only happens with masculine ones. You get a T in front of an S, only with feminine ones. And you get a lenition where you stick the H's in with a consonant, and that happens for feminine ones. And this is in what's called a nominative, okay, which means when you're just saying the something. The genitive, it's opposite, sort of, okay? Yeah, the genitive, it's opposite, sort of, okay? That when you're saying of something, then it's different, okay? So when we completely confused, you'd say, Glina, well, actually, I have to put something. Which it shouldn't have, but, all right, why don't we say blossom? How about blossom ishka? The taste of the water, blossom ishka, okay? The taste of the water. So now the T goes away, okay? You can say chach. Chach and taggart, the house of the priest. Now you get a T on it, okay? And you can say,
I thought the T only came in the feminine.
yeah.
For me, it's not in genitive anymore.
Now we're in genitive. Okay, it's changed.
Yallen. Yallen.
Okay, the book, the boy's book, the book of the boy, Lauer and Woochala. Okay, so now we have, so it's the opposite of what happens when you're just talking about the things doing something or being somewhere.
Why don't you say man of the hour?
You do that? Oh, we did that one, why don't we do it? So we have Far, I don't think you really use that one. Far Nahura.
Oh,
Yeah, so Na is of the in feminine. You can have,
What does that mean?
man of the hour, I guess. Okay, so this takes an H in. And you can have, what's something with chocolate, something of the chocolate,
taste of chocolate.
yeah, we have Blas,
The thief of the chocolate.
Blas, Na. Sorry. Make this
Bunny
as clearer.
thief of the chocolate.
Blas Mashaklaj is the taste of the chocolate. And you can have,
Does it work the same
We
way
can
you
do this.
say the bunny thief of the chocolate?
yeah, so Gadi Mashaklaj, the thief of the chocolate. You can have Blas Nabior. Okay, or a Nyomarka Bjorach, Nyomarka Shaklaj. But you have to have the on and the not to have all these things happen. Nothing changes if you don't have an on or not in front of it. Okay, other than the end of the word. Okay, so basically, these are the words you use when you're saying what this person or thing does or what someone does to it, okay? So, and tishka is the water, so you can say ta and tishka fur, the water is cold. Or, and sagart, Neil and sagart and you, the priest is not here today. Or, and buchel, chanik me and buchel, I saw the boy. Or, I don't know what sentence to do with that one. Isn't a really good word to do, huh?
That was the oven?
Yeah.
It's an over in Michigan.
Yeah, that's a different sentence, I have to think of something for that, but, and chaklaj, you know, jip, Mandy and chaklaj, Mandy ate the chocolate, okay? Or, and Bjor, Dol Michal's not here, Dol Michal and Bjor, okay? So, so these are the ones you use when you're saying who's doing something or what happens with something. These are the ones when you're using of something, okay? So the taste of Nimayum blossom or Nimayum blossom ishkisho. I don't like the taste of this water, okay? Or Shine Chach and Taggart. That's this priest's house. Or Kawa Lauer and Wuchala. Where's the boy's book? Okay.
Why do you say chance so I can say I ate the chocolate, it didn't have a chance?
Nireb Shansega. Shans.
Chance.
Yeah. Okay. Or Shemikal, you know, Faranahura. It's Ma the Mandy Blossom Shaklaj, Mandy likes the taste of the chocolate. Okay. Ach Nima le Blas Nabiora, she doesn't like the taste of the beer. Okay. Alright. So these are all the genitive ones. In the masculine you have the word un to mean of the, and things kind of do the opposite stuff that they do, and then what's called a nominative, you're saying what they do. So, okay. Feminine, you have na instead of on. Okay. So this is the thing in Irish, that you're gonna find a lot of patterns like this where, first of all, masculine and feminine do opposite things here, or do different things. And then a lot of times when they go into genitive or something like that, they're gonna do the opposite of what they did before, okay? Either that, or you're gonna find things when the singular and the plural are gonna do opposite things in Irish, okay? And so you kind of, it's a combination of what changes happen to the word and the grammar to figure out what's actually happening and what's being said, okay? So let's see, where are we? Probably, actually if we can get some water on. Actually, I'll head over and do it while we read. Okay, so in Yomarka Arigage, too much of money. Shine and dollar, that is the disease. A Tal Ort said it is on you. Okay, Shine and